Okay, welcome to another Forex session. This is for the 14th day of July 2026. Let's do our setup before the market open in the next few hours. Okay, this is GBPAUD. Let's see what we can actually do with this pair. But before we go into the pair, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out from any of our daily analysis. And also note that this video is for educational purpose only. So let's look at the pair GBPAUD. Now, if you look at the charts, I so much like this kind of price movement, so clean, so neat. This is the kind of pair that you should be considering trading. Okay, clean price action. And let's see, the market gave us an impulse move. See this impulse move, like this is a whole 2 3 weeks of strong impulse move from the downside. You can see the impulse move, and just imagine swinging this trade all the way from this level down. That is a whole lot of profit, a whole lot of pips. Now, impulse move, market did some level of retracement. Now, you see why I don't advise to trade a retracement. If you can see this, you can compare this move, the number of pips inside this move with the number of pips inside this move. So that is why when you get your bigger time frame bias, try to trade in the smaller time frame in line with that bias. Okay. Now, impulse move retracement, impulse move retracement. Okay. Now we are expecting another impulse move to the downside, but we cannot just start uh, trading set trade because we're expecting an impulse move. No, because as you can see, the market is giving us a sign of bullish movement to the upside, that the market can even do a deeper retracement to this level before going to the downside. So, but either way, I don't care what the market will do. What our concern is just to try and follow the market and see what the market is doing. Now, I will not be buying this pair because of this level. You can see a sharp rejection at this level. So I will not be buying this pair. It's not wise to actually buy this pair. It's not wise to buy this pair at this level, unless if you want to just scalp it and take a profit around this level, or maybe you are an intraday trader, you want to just trade from this level to this level. Okay, so I will not be buying this pair because of this level. So what should I be doing? I should be expecting the market to do some level of retracement. Let's go to 4 hours so that we can see more clearly. Okay, now if I'm buying this pair at this level, I should be ready to take my profit at this level, which is a good risk reward ratio. I don't like trading. I prefer trading 1:3, 1:4, and above than to trade 1:1. 1:2 is fine, but I hardly trade 1:2. So now this is a very sharp rejection level based on the previous time frame. So the previous history of this level. So what should I be doing? I should be expecting the market to do a C pattern, a cup pattern to the downside, something like this, down to the downside. Okay, so what should I be doing? What should I do? Now I'll wait for this level to be taken off. I'll wait for this level to be taken off before I can comfortably take a set trade. Now, this level is very significant because the market bounced back from this level twice. So for you to sell this pair, you should wait for the market to break out of that level. You should wait for something like this, break from this level, retracement, then you can take a set trade to the downside. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll be waiting for the market to break from the downside based on my bigger time frame analysis. But does that remove the selling possibility, the buying possibility? No. There's a possibility that the market will break at to the upside. Okay. But why I may not be taking the trade if the market break out to the upside? Two reasons. One of my theories that I only trade around my zones. So this is not a zone, this is a minor zone. So meaning taking the market at this level is not really part of my trading rules. I only trade at the zones. But if you break to the downside and retest the downside, this is around my zones. So I can actually consider taking the trade. That is one. And two, why I should be waiting for the market to sell is because in my bigger time frame analysis, I'm expecting an impulse move to the downside. So these are the two reasons why I have to wait for the market to break to this level and look for a buying opportunity around this level. So that is my setup for the 14th day of July, which is the market opening in the next few hours, is my setup. So I'll just sit down and watch this pair. Okay, I don't have to trade on the pair. I trade one or two trade every day if I see a good opportunity. So I'll just sit and monitor this pair and see if the market will break to the downside so that I can actually take advantage of that move. Okay, so that is that for GBPAUD for the 14th day of July. So do well to do your own analysis and subscribe to this channel and note that this video is for educational purposes only. See you in the next video. Bye.